Hello guys and welcome back to our channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you how to for free get Ethereum using only your mobile phone. Yes, you can earn Ethereum just making simple tasks and get some Ethereum. If you're interested, so let's go to the next part of this video where I show you how to do this. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. Website where you can get for free Ethereum or another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is Latium. Latium is a website where I meet the freelancers and a person who needs to make some job. There's a couple of categories where allow you to earn cryptocurrency if you have some skills, for example, programmer, graphic designer, musicians. But I show you how to get some cryptocurrency using only your mobile phone. First, I show you what category they have. And like you see, popular services what you can find and work in this is translation, logo design, article writing, proofreading and editing, Photoshop editing, transcript, and other. But we go to section Explore Projects and Bid Projects, and things where is interesting for us is usability testing. This is option where you test application prepared by some company and where they want to test it by random people. So like you see, we have at the moment 3 options. Yesterday was more of them, but we can look on the 3 what are available at the moment. So first is crypto trading app, 25-minute testing, and you can earn between $15 and $22. Second is 30 minutes onboarding test, multiple user needed. So like you see, a lot of user to test they needed. How many you can get for this simple test? $25 to $30. Next is home automation app, simple login, flow testing. So like you see, simply testing between $10 and $15. And here is option where every day is in new offers and you can get for free your cryptocurrency. Like you see, at the moment we have 2 in USD dollars. One is cryptocurrency LTC, but yesterday was Ethereum for similar price. So very nice place to get for free for simple test your cryptocurrency using your mobile phone. So you can make this test when you're going by bus to school, to the work, and you have some additional money. Next option to get some cryptocurrency in this platform is registration, and you can register to one of this platform what is offered on this category. You create account, you send some photos of what is required in a description of the task, and you get your salary for your wallet. Very simple, and you can make it in a few minutes and you get some kind of salary. If you have any question, put it below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.